Fitfreeze is a creamy, delicious dessert that destroys fat cells as well, and it satisfies carving and helps in weight loss also. Isn't it interesting to enjoy ice cream also in your weight loss journey? And the ice cream which actually helps you to lose weight as well. Fitfreeze contains 33% of its calorie of protein-rich food, and protein actually deactivates our hunger hormone ghrelin and activates leptin hormone. Fitfreeze is not only an ice cream, but it is a weight loss supplement too, as it is rich of protein and soluble fibers. It contains 42% less calories, 7 multiples more fiber, 74% less sugar, and 3.8 multiples more protein than the normal ice cream. Since a cold and freezed ice cream cannot be shipped, so this ready-made mixture comes to you in a packet. All you have to do, just cut the pack, blend it, freeze it, and enjoy your delicious ice cream come weight loss supplement. For making it more delicious, garnish your ice cream with some nuts and seasonal fruits. Enjoy your delicious dessert. Link to get it free is in description box. And do not forget to subscribe this channel for this kind of useful informations.